Polygon Labs, it's doing an experiment with the British government. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about the digital pound. It's only an experiment, but I would like to talk about it. Before we get into the content, I would love to do my quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. None of this content is a financial advice. You must do your own market research. This is for entertainment. And let's get straight into the topic, because here's the thing. I've been tracking the Polygon price since I saw this news. And I want to share this news with you because I believe if that's actually a successful achievement, I think we are likely to see the Polygon price a bit higher, but nothing has happened ever since I saw this news. But I would like to share it with you. I believe all we heard and everything you are going to hear from now to 2027, it's stable coins, digital assets, stable coins, digital assets, stable coins, digital assets. More than 20 banks are pushing the digital currency agenda, and by the end of this year or the beginning of the next year, you might just have the notification that your bank got into the stablecoin or they tokenized themselves. However, the UK digital pound just got real. Sort of Polygon's big move. Is the UK about to launch a digital pound? Question. Not exactly, but things just got a whole lot more serious. Polygon Labs has officially joined forces with the Bank of England for the second phase of the Digital Pound Lab, but here is the twist. They aren't building a CBDC itself, they are building the bridge between private stablecoins and the future of the central bank money. The mission is to solve a massive headache into the global trade, aka speed and trust for small and medium enterprise. Right now, cross-border payments are slowly and fragmented being done. This is why they are testing a private stablecoin and simulating a digital pound can settle the same transaction instantly without waiting on each other. And here is exactly how it works. Number one, an exporter gets paid instantly into a stablecoin using the Polygon open money stack. Number two, simultaneously, the UK importer settles the leg into a simulated digital pound. Number three, the whole flow happens atomically, meaning both sides settle together or not at all. Polygon is providing the smart contract infrastructure and embedded wallets, while the Dun and Bradstreet bring the data to verify business credit worthiness instantly. Instead of filling out endless paperwork for every single loan, a business could use this verified on-chain profile to access trade finance instantly, combining wallet transaction data with traditional business intelligence to prove you are credit worth in seconds. At least is what they promise. The Bank of England has stated clearly that this does not mean a digital pound is guaranteed. Phase 2 wraps up in July 2026. Funny enough, we had a very crazy year and they building that behind the scenes. Just a very quick comment. And the findings will help the government decide if and how to proceed with a full launch potentially by 2027. So they are planning to launch this stablecoin 2027. Massive step towards a hybrid financial system where private crypto and government digital currency work on side by side. Could this be the blueprint for the digital future and a business global trade? question. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But here's the thing, I've been tracking the Polygon price ever since, and if that happens, I believe the price could potentially go up. But you know, when it comes to long-term investing, you need to do your own research. And I found it very funny how they just said they are doing only an experiment, but why an experiment would have a phase 2 done already? It's just a matter of time. As I mentioned before, HSBC, Citibank, Itaú, Bank of Brazil, and loads of other banks, Bank of France, a number of banks are being tokenized while you are distracted. They are building the digital euro infrastructure. Everything is happening behind the scenes, and you are not invited. So I just want to close the video today. Have a look at the Polygon website. Have a look on what's currently being built behind the scenes. You cannot miss out those events and things. I believe besides of the price of crypto, we need to watch closely what are the steps, who are investing into those blockchains, and more importantly, what those blockchains are doing, why the government chose them to be the one to facilitate, you know, that Polygon, it's based on Ethereum. Ethereum, it's the main place for stablecoin, basically. Main layer is the main infrastructure to build on. The beginning of 2027, innumerable banks will announce they are being tokenized, ships are being tokenized, real estate are being tokenized, loads of things will be tokenized. It's the year of tokenization, and funny enough, we just had a war. Funny enough, we just had a World Cup. Funny enough, we just being distracted one more time. But of course, this is only for entertainment purpose, and I encourage you to do your own research in Polygon. If you are willing to take the risk, why not? It's not a question of when, but centralized versus decentralized. What makes me a bit intrigued is that what is really happening to crypto that promised that blockchain system would bring ownership back to people, and suddenly they are all over the place doing deals with governments. But it's not a criticism. I am in all sides. It's not a question of running from it. It's not a matter of running from it. I mean, it will happen, and it's happening, and it's happening every day. I'll see you guys soon on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.